hi.
Hi.
We are happy that you're here with us. Do you want to sing our song? Okay, ready? Talia's here today. Yes, Talia's here today. I'm so glad to have her here. Yes, Talia's here today. What do you call me?
Mom.
Mommy. Or you want to call me Mommy or Teacher Lori?
Teacher Lori.
Teacher Lori, okay. Teacher Lori's here today. Teacher Lori's here today. I'm so glad to have her here. Teacher Lori's here today. Yay! Do you want to sing another song? What's your favorite song?
Twinkle Little Star.
Twinkle Little Star? Oh, I know one she was singing the other day. You were singing Mr. Sun. You want to sing Mr. Sun?
Yeah.
I like Mr. Sun. Okay, ready? Get your sun out.
The
Mr. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so they could play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Yay! Is it sunny outside? It is sunny. Was it sunny this morning? Or was it rainy?
Rainy.
Yeah, it was raining this morning, but now the sun is out and the sun is shining. So I thought maybe we could go outside and find some nature. Let's go find out what nature is. We're going to find some nature and Talia's going to put it in her bag. Can you hold your bag? Okay, you guys find nature in your area where you live, okay? All right, let's go. Okay, Talia, take it out. What'd you get? Put it on a piece of paper.
I got a stick.
A stick? What else?
Silk.
That's okay.
I got a leaf.
Wow, what color is your leaf? Yellow. And she found some rose petals?
And these.
Oh, some more from a plant? Some more leaves? What else?
And leaf.
Oh, more rose petals
Marshmallows.
from the flower.
Baby sticks.
Baby sticks.
And
Oh, a green leaf.
a green, yellow flower.
And some pink flowers.
And another pink.
Another green leaf.
And more
More
petals.
flower petals. Oh, look. She found a clover. Oh, another leaf. Wow, look at this nature collection,
And
Talia.
More. Wait, what is it?
Well, that's just a piece of a leaf.
A piece of a leaf. And more petals. And
Wow, you found so much
petals.
so much nature. Let's take out.
No, I
Oh, you
want
want to do it? Okay, keep going.
And another baby stick.
Mm-hmm.
And more petal.
Mm-hmm.
And more petal right here.
Mm-hmm.
And more petal in my bag right here. And my petal. And these.
Wow.
And my.
What is this? What is that?
A baby rock.
She found some rocks.
And
Baby rocks. Wow, look at all your nature. What was your favorite nature you found? Which nature did you like the best, Talia?
Just nature. 2 natures.
Which one? Pick it up. Pick it up and show it to me. Which one's your favorite?
These ones.
The flower petals?
All of them.
All of them is your favorite?
Mhm.
She was really excited when we found the little tiny baby rocks. Did you like that? Yeah? Cool. All right, now we're gonna make something with our nature. Do you wanna see what we're gonna make? Let me show you. Okay, friends. So I got a paper plate again, and I cut out the middle. And then I got some mailing tape, and I put it across. On one side, I put it all across. So this side's not sticky, but this side, how does it feel, Talia? It's sticky. So all of her nature she's gonna put on top, and it's going to stick. So mailing tape works, or if you have contact paper, but we don't have any contact paper. So we use mailing tape. So now Talia's gonna put all her things on top, and when she's done, we'll show you what it looks like. You ready to do your nature? Okay, here we go. Talia, it's beautiful. She's putting it all over so it's sticking. Wow. Her baby sticks. Leaves. Oh, it's beautiful, Talia. Okay, Talia, can you hold it up? Can we see?
I got a nature.
It's all of her nature, and you can hang it in the window. I put tape on the other side after she stuck everything on the tape. Then on the other side, I put tape to hold both sides together. So, can I show them? So her nature won't fall out. See, and you can hang it in the window, and the sun will shine. You can see all the colors, the flowers and the leaves and the sticks and the rocks. Did you like making your sun catcher? Yeah. Okay, tell your friends, say have fun. You gotta look over here. Tell your friends, say have fun.
Fun.
Hi friends. Guess what we have? Ready?
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Come closer so they can see you.
Yeah.
Turn around. Say we have hopscotch.
We have hopscotch.
Do you guys want to do hopscotch too? Ask them, say you want to do hopscotch? We just need some chalk, right? Okay. Ty, you want to show them how you do it? Okay, ready? You're going to start at the beginning over there. That's where number 1 is. I'll show you guys how Talia does it. She's going to hop on all the numbers. Ready, set, go, Talia. Hop, 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 hop. Oh, no, we don't run. No, running, you got to jump on it. You want to see Mama do it? Okay, Talia's going to watch me first, and then she's going to do it. Okay, here I go. I start at number 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Your turn. Okay, here she goes. She's gonna start at the beginning. We'll go closer. Okay, Talia, ready? Jump. 3, 4, 5.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Yay! Say, I did it!
I did it.
Woohoo! What color are you standing on? What color is it?
Purple.
It's pink.
Pink.
Yeah. Go find a blue one. Can you find a blue one? Which one's blue? Yes! And that's a 1 and a 9. That's 19. Okay, let's see. Go find another pink one. Find another pink one? That's green. That one. The next one. That's pink. Ready? Jump. Yay, that's pink. Oh, you already stepped. Go back. Go back. One more back. That's pink right here. This one. That's pink. 1 and a 4. 14. What's your favorite color, Talia? Which color is your favorite? Oh, that's orange. Can you find a square that's yellow? Where's a yellow one? Yes, she found the number 8. It's yellow. Find a blue one. All right, she found 6 and 7. Let me see, let's show them. Let's show them all the numbers. Whoa, there's number 1. Then 2 and 3, 4, 5, and Talia's standing on 6 and 7. And then behind her, let's see what's behind you. Number 8, number 9, 10, and look at that one. A 1 and a 1. That's 11. What's after 11? 12. Let's see what 12 looks like. Step up. A 1 and a 2 is 12. And then 13, 14. Keep jumping. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You did it. High five. Good job. Say, have fun doing hopscotch.
Have fun doing hopscotch.
Hi, friends. Do you see what I have in my hand? It's a xylophone. It makes music.
No.
But look, what is this? What is this in front of me? What are these, Talia? Is this a glass?
Yeah.
It's a glass that you drink out of, right?
Yeah.
And what did I put in it?
I'm gonna go on my bed.
I put water in it. See the water? I put different levels. Some have a little bit, some has a little more, and a little more, a little more, a little more, more. This one's almost to the top. And when you play with it with a xylophone stick, or even a pen works too. It makes music. We have to be really careful because it's made out of glass, right? Talia, you want to play a song for us? Here she goes. Now be gentle because it's glass. Okay, let's hear her song.
I'm gonna sing the song.
Okay, what's it called?
Soon forever.
Soon Forever is her song. Wow. Keep going. Can you sing more words? What other words does your song have? Soon forever. Like that?
No,
Okay, then you sing it. I want to hear you sing your song.
I can't.
How come? I can sing it for you. Can I sing it? Like this? Soon forever, forever. Soon forever, soon forever. Soon forever. Like that? What if I do it from the top? That works too, huh? Or I could do it from the side. Good job. You want to do another song? You're done.
Done.
All right. I hope you have fun making music with water and glasses. Say bye, friends.
Bye, friends.